Hi you guys, it's me, Aaron Fantasy, back once again. How you doing? Funny story. Like I was gonna hook up my microphone for my podcast for you guys down below, and I was gonna incorporate both of these into one, but honey, I used my phone for the podcast. Okay, honey. So if I was like, that is gonna work. So what I'm gonna strive to do is get on video for you guys. If you like content like this, give me a like button, give me a comment. Okay, let me know if you guys like content like this, and I will give you guys more of this. Okay, honey. So that I was like, that's funny. No wonder I don't do that because I used it on phone. Mind blown. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying doing your Black Friday shopping, and I do believe, me personally, I think it's smarter to do it online this year, especially with the COVID. Okay, yes, God. And I just wanted to give you guys, this is a basic tip. Okay, honey, this is a basic tip, and what I've been receiving from the Lord, from the Spirit, and everything of the sort. I just want to give you guys that. So I went out and I looked, and I had my coins ready to make this purchase outright. I've been claiming this purchase since the summer, and it was like weird. It came along my path. They made it faster. They made it better in a more affordable package, and it came along my path, and I'm like, oh my God, glory to God. It helped me save like $1,000. You know what I mean? With them compacting it into, I'm being really real, it's a laptop. I'm fixing to upgrade to a Mac. Because I have so many great things in store for you guys, for the world, and I'm very excited. So I was looking at it, and I have the coins ready, and then also I was looking at a couple of people, and I read the book, the Kiyosaki book of Guy's First Name, Leverage Your Credit. I see how you can leverage credit. Basically, I can get a $1,000 laptop for only $55, and you only paying $55 a month. Number one, you're getting that reported to your credit, and your credit is going up. And the rest of the money, you see what I'm saying, is being saved. You're not spending a big amount of money all at one time. You can save that money for later. You see what I'm saying? And this is good. $55, you're going to get more money. And then this is good. You're going to use it. You're going to cherish it, because you're going to pay for it. This is a small thing God gave me of what I'm going to be doing within homes. God, he does that with cars. He financed the cars, and what he sells it on Turo, he rents it out. These people are financing homes, you guys. They're not buying these homes, all right? They're financing these homes, and they're getting the income from renting it out. Airbnb. You see what I'm saying? They're financing these things. They're building their credit, and they're showing, you see, they're giving this income. These are investments. And I did that message on my podcast below. Have your money in circulation. This is not just for you, my dreamers. It's for me too. I'm dropping gems. This method here of what I'm doing with my Mac is what these entrepreneurs, these businesses are doing, and I wanted to give it to you directly because the laptop thing is a simple way you can understand what they are doing. $55 for a whole Mac, okay, honey, and you can reinvest your other money elsewhere on what else you got going on. You see what I'm saying? This is how you invest your money. Leverage credit. I like what the guy said in Kiyosaki, and I heard it again this morning. Leverage your debt. That you're making is assets. You're making money off your debt. Use the debt. Never use your own money. Use your debt. You see what I'm saying? Use the debt. You know what I mean? They're giving you credit. Use their money. Use their money. That ain't your money. You use it. You might as well. You don't care, and it's good. If you lose money, you see what I'm saying? It's not your money. You're not attached to that because that's debt. That's credit. That's credit. Use the credit. That's what I've learned. And I was like, $55 versus $1,000. I understand you're paying in cash and get it over with. It's yours. But this here is credit, and it's gonna boost up my credit, and I'll be able to. It's a small seed to the big thing. Do you understand? You know what I mean? And if you understand what I'm saying, you about to be blessed. This is a small thing. It's like the Lord is using me to put my toe in the water. Use the credit. I'm spending only $55 for the big thing. You see, even though I got the money, now I can take that money and leverage it and use it in other ventures. Have that money, and then this is good. I'm gonna give you all my jewels, because I'm just listening to this all the time, me myself, honey. You have that money. Don't have it sitting in savings. Okay, well, I have it sitting in savings if I don't know what to do with it. Okay, but if you have something you know what to do with it, it's best to put it in life, in circulation. In circulation. I received that. Okay, put it in circulation. If you know it's gonna give you more money, it's good to put it in circulation. But I'm excited. I just gave you the seed of the small thing that I've noticed, and it's truly powerful. Leverage your credit. Get it on credit. You know what I mean? Build your credit, and you're gonna have more money to spend on credit. You see, use that credit, not your own money. And that's just the seed. I'm just getting into the money game, as you can tell, just with my laptop. And you see, I'm just use my laptop. It's gonna be a faster. I got music, I'm very creative, and I'm excited for it. And I'm just go and do this credit. I'm just go do the credit and build that credit and leverage your credit. That's the name of this video, and I hope you received it. Just want to give out a seed, and that's the seed. The small thing sprouts into everywhere. This small thing is him showing me. This is I'm gonna get to multiple cars. This is what you do with multiple cars. I'm gonna get to homes. If you do the small thing, he can trust you with the big thing. So I say, yes, Lord, yes. Yes, Lord, yes, honey. Now I just want to give this here. This is small. This is a laptop, honey. And then, honey, we're going to get to the houses, honey. Because I said, yes, Lord, yes. I will, Airbnb. I will, rent out the homes. Yes, God, if you get me in that position. But it starts with this. Leverage that credit, boom. And it's like he put me in the water. But anywho, I hope you received it and you gained the value. Share this with everybody, because that's all I received. You see what he doing to me, honey, and I want to share that. So that's this video. Comment, let me know what you think. Are you leveraging your credit? Did you get any value? Do you see where I'm going with this? But I'm excited. I just had to do the video. Hope you received it. Peace.